Okay, so we've got a great scene here in the Daintree rainforest that we want to take a photo of, this tree over here. So what we're doing is we've set 2 out of the 3 values here. I've set the ISO to 4000, which is quite high, which means the shot will be grainy, but we have to have that because it's quite dark. And I've set the aperture to f2, which is quite wide open to allow a lot of light in. So we've set 2 of those values. That means that we have to set the 3rd value, and the way that we do that is by looking at the light meter, which is on the back here. So that's shutter speed. So I just turn the dial at the top until the needle comes into the middle, and it gives me a suggested speed. And that's what we do. So you set 2 out of the 3 values, and you use the needle to help you set the 3rd value, and then you get a correct exposure.